Welcome to the course introduction of the NextWaveSTEM K-2 STEM Classics course. This course is a collection of hands-on design-based activities where students hone their critical thinking and creativity through ideation and iteration. The course includes 15 engaging lessons with pre-made presentations, activity sheets, and lesson plans. No previous STEM experience is necessary. The course comes with a comprehensive materials kit, including the Pittsco Inventions Pack, cardstock, marbles, coffee filters, and much more. The highlights of this course are centered around the hands-on projects where students are challenged to solve real-world problems using the engineering design process. Each challenge is unique and relies on student knowledge such as energy transfer, motion, and angles to complete. The culminating project is an iterative redesign of an invention. According to the Lemelson Foundation, introducing engineering concepts in elementary school is key to training the next generation of engineers to tackle future problems. If you would like to learn more about the STEM Classics course or other course offerings, please visit nextwavestem.com.